I'm going to take this to the United Nations. The EVMs have a
nahin,
wrong
don't.
circuitry. This is completely the fault of EVM.
There is a lot of counting yet to be done.
Absolutely.
Okay, 48,
Devoid of ideas,
38.
don't give
It's
them
all
ideas.
changing. 48 to the BJP in Haryana, 38 to the Congress party, and this has never been as interesting as this. Since morning, everybody had said the BJP is losing, Congress is winning, done deal. Now 47-38 is what is happening in Haryana. BJP suddenly perks up, and there it is. Were the jalebis and the patakas burst too early in the morning?
And dhol, and I mean, these are things that the BJP learned its lesson in earlier elections, and they decided कि लड्डू तो नहीं order करने. जो
एक और बात है, संजय झा, हरियाणा अगर बीजेपी जीत गई और नरेंद्र मोदी अगर हेडक्वार्टर्स में आके address to the nation कर, आप क्या करेंगे मुझे बताइए. You have challenged him. It looks like he might be there.
If I mean, firstly, I don't think that's happening. But let's assume hypothetically that.
चलो hypothetical पर तो आ गए. We are talking about hypotheticals.
They've crossed the halfway mark.
Yes, they have. Long time ago, I screamed and shouted. You didn't hear me.
Navika, the truth is that you're still in the not even reached the middle of the countings yet. So it's a long way to go.
So come on, fair and square, please.
You know, counting and not started, Modi was a liability.
No, but you were showing the Congress was at 60.
Sanjay Jha,
Max is a liability
1 minute.
today.
May I make one submission? I'm a news person, not a narrative person. So news first, narrative later.
Okay.
You set the narrative first, news is coming in now.
But my narrative was based on the numbers and hasn't changed. I believe these numbers will go up and down probably till around 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
I'm now taking, we can't bet on national television, but I'm now taking declarations coming in. नहीं, सट्टा बिल्कुल नहीं है. I'm taking projections. Which is bona fide journalistic duty to do projections. Smita, who are you expecting to win Haryana?
In Haryana, I still feel that it could become the Congress finally making a government, even though the BJP.
She was saying it. I was about to say the same thing because I said Congress will get comfortable majority.
So you are basically in Sanjay Jha's party.
Not
more or
party,
less, yes.
please.
If Pawan Khera can join BJP, we can join Congress also.
इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है.
Well, so Sanjay Jha, they are hedging their bets. Tushar?
I think let the dust settle. I think
Dust nahi settle. You have to give projection now.
I'll give it to the
Projection
BJP. I'll give it to the BJP.
You'll give it to the BJP? Wow. Okay. If not, then you are giving a round of
Jalebis.
Jalebis
How
to
many
him.
rounds of counting? Tell me that. Then I'll tell you.
No. You have to go by the numbers and
No,
tell
I
me.
need to just know how
You
many
can't
rounds.
ask
You
them.
called it 1 hour ago when
No, I
hardly
never.
one
I
round
did
was
not.
over.
I did not call. I was just watching it. How many rounds?
I'll still need to check the exact number. of
First,
rounds
second,
it will be.
third.
Sure.
Second, I think.
Yeah.
Must be more now. I think.
I think it's
thing says
anyone's
that
game right now.
BJP crosses the halfway mark.
But in some constituencies,
Sabha, you can't take that long, yaar. You are so experienced. Tell us.
49.
Been going to Haryana.
I mean, I think the BJP could pull off a
Route the
surprise.
other way round.
BJP could
Can if we are into decent rounds. This is beyond postal.